Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to sit down and film a really quick flip of my current setup in my personal ring agenda. If I sound a little weird, I am currently coming down with a sickness. My throat is so horrible, so I wanted to film this video before I get any worse because I have a feeling tomorrow I'm not going to sound anywhere near myself. So yeah, I also really wanted to film this flip because I promised you guys a updated flip, but also I am so ready to ditch the fall setup and decorate for Christmas. We are decorating tomorrow. Today's Friday. I don't know if I'll get this video up today. It'll probably honestly be tomorrow because I am, as soon as I pick Michael up from work, I'm coming home, taking NyQuil, and going to bed. Oh, I feel so, like, horrible. It's like a head cold. It's all stuffy. Ugh. This is my first time being sick this year. Many people in my house have been sick, and Michael was talking about how, like, I must just have a really good immune system because I was kind of, like, dodging it every time it came into the house. But now I am the only one that's sick, but it's okay. I'd rather me than my babes. So yeah, enough talking. Let's just flip through this. I didn't want to rid of my Halloween setup just yet, just so I can share this with you guys. I think I did this on camera, I'm not sure, but here is my little paperclip setup. I'm really excited. I don't know if I'm going to switch into my Aura Estelle Jade Green cover for Christmas. It's tempting, but also at the same time, my apricot, like, I just love the feeling. So I might just, like, toy around with both and see which one I end up with. But I'm really loving this. I actually have been debating getting another color, either honey or caramel. But I know once Moterm releases the personal rings in Dune, I need that one too. So yeah, I don't know. I am loving this apricot though. It's so well broken in right now. Like, I don't know if you can see the shine, but like, it's just so smooth. The leather is just patinaing beautifully. Enough of that. Yeah, that is my front setup. And then I just have a crazy variety of things up here. This came from Mama of More Plans. Actually, I'm not going to go into where everything is from. If you want to know where anything is from, please leave it in a link or a question down in the comments below, and I will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. So yeah, we still have my inbox up here. I still have not done this. And then some trigger lists or brain dump lists. This. Sorry, I just wanted to, oh, it's like a ½ inch bigger. Someone in my last video said that I should try a personal wide ring agenda from Moterm to accommodate maybe some of this extra chunk. So I'm honestly contemplating that, but they only have 2 colors. And I haven't found a personal wide in the veg tan, so I don't know. Planner section, I did add some 2024, actually. Okay, so I added this, the little holidays. This is from Plan with B. I know I didn't say, I said I wasn't gonna mention anything, but I created these, this insert, I don't know. I used the Coffee Monsters Co. little freebie calendar, digital clip art, whatever, that she gives away for free, and I created this little 2024 setup. I don't think I'll keep it though. I don't love how it turned out. Maybe I will, but once these come out from, I think it was, Puffin Pages Co., I believe. Once they come out with those, I'm probably going to switch them over. just because they look a little cleaner. I don't know. And then I do have this back here, but again, I don't like how it looks against this floral, so I'll need to do some adjusting. I just put some 2024 things in. These are my past monthlies. I like to keep those in case I need to look at something that happened previously. And then here we go. Here is November. So I did go ahead and put in all of 2020, the rest of 2023 in here as weeklies, and I dated them. So I'm all set, and I don't have to print and cut weeklies anymore. And I also did that like extra page in the middle. I love this setup. It just works so well for me. So that is the planner section, and then I titled this one Mom instead of Mems. And okay, I forgot there's some private info back here, so we won't go into that. It's just all the school section. And then this little divider is where it starts my memories. So everything's the same for the most part. All the pictures are the same. My little vision board that I created here, these are not, I don't know what I'm doing. I just stuck those down for placekeepers. I will go through and kind of do more goal setting when I have the time. I feel like my days just fly by so quickly, and I don't know. Hoping for a calm. I'm really excited for this weekend to just sleep. I still keep these in here. I did add in like a whole bunch of list pads so that I have them ready and handy in case I need them. And honestly, those should probably be in front of those other things because I'll probably use those more frequently. And then I can't remember if I showed you guys this or not. I think I didn't. I filmed a few other videos of my ring agenda in the past like month, and I just never got them up. But I did purchase a complete set at Helen's last vinyl re-up of the affirmations, and I've been wanting these ever since she launched them the first time. I finally snagged them, and I created this cute little insert. I just did some double-sided tape so that I could still use them if this isn't how I want to keep them forever. So yeah, love those. And then my sticky note fold out is still going strong. I did change some of my dividers. This I love from Once More with Love. I just cut my journaling cards down. Probably shouldn't be sharing some of that stuff. That's just my notes section. I have like policy numbers and emergency contacts. This is, I did add back in a home section just because I found this card and I'm like, I have to have that in my planner, which I know sounds so stupid, but I just kept in these monthlies and I'm working through that currently. And then here's my meal section. These are just some notes that I want to add into this section. I need to print more meal planning inserts. I'll probably do that first thing tomorrow because I do need to go grocery shopping. But these are all filled up. So one of the ideas I have for this section, I'm going to be changing it just a smidgen. I will still have this whole menu plan grocery list, but I want to add in some of my notebook paper, the one from the Me notebook that I use in my weekly planning for my to-do list. I want to add a like good hefty amount of those in here. And when I'm going to look at all my old inserts that I've used, and anything that I see that I remember like, oh, that was so good, I'm going to write that down on a list so I can finally, back to the front here, check this off. so that I'll have a running, ever-changing favorite meals list, which I think will be a good addition to that section. Next is my bill section. Literally nothing has changed there. I still use, I haven't filled this out fully yet, but I still use this empty or undated monthly. I didn't end up using this, so honestly, I'm going to pull that off, and this as well. We just ended up saving a different way for Christmas. And then back here is my me section, which honestly I think I might just take out because I don't use it. I might just stick this in somewhere else. But yeah, that's all my inserts. And then a new cute little addition, I got in my Q4 sub from Coffee Monsters Co. And I love this folder so much. And I was really sad when I heard her say that it was a B6 because I'm like, I don't use B6, but I really love the folder. It's so adorable. I probably will definitely pick up another one just to have when she does overstocks because this is so cute. But I discovered that it fits in my personal perfectly in the back here. I only turn it upside down so that this doesn't get messed up and it's on like the outside, but look at how perfectly that fits, guys. Like, it was made for personal or Franklin Covey Compact, whatever you want to claim. But yeah, that is my updated flip. Back here I just keep adding more and more things. My daughter got like awards at school. They do like this owl award, which is their mascot, and she's been getting so many. She's loving school. I'm so happy. But I just keep little things like that back there. Nothing in here. I honestly don't remember if I added anything into here. No, I didn't. And then, of course, my in case of emergency. Back here, I did have this card from Planner Monkey Co. that I got as a freebie that I was kind of using, kind of not, for October, but that's it. That's my updated flip. I'm excited to kind of get her back to a neutral state and start decorating for Christmas. I really don't want to move out of this cover. I love it so much. So we'll see how that ends up looking. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And let me know what other content you want to see. I'm open to other things. Right now, with just school and all the running around and errands I have to do daily, I'm just aiming to get one video up a week. So hopefully you guys can understand. And thank you so much for your support. My videos have been doing so well lately, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the new subscribers and everything. So stay safe out there, old subscribers as well. Stay safe out there. Try and ward off all the sicknesses. I'm going to go downstairs with my babes and watch some Gilmore Girls. I started that show I honestly think it was like earlier last month, and I'm already almost done with it. I've watched it before, but I never finished the whole series, and I think an episode away from season 7, which is the last. So I'm gonna go watch some of that and try and feel better. So yeah, until next week, I will see you then. Bye, guys.